In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to mute someone calls on your iPhone. Muting a specific phone number on iPhone is a little bit complicated. So all you have to need, follow this all steps very carefully. So first of all, we have to download a silent ringtone. So go to your iPhone browser and search for silent ringtone. And you have to open this website. In this website, scroll down and here you get the silent ringtone download file. Just tap on download mp3 and just go ahead and download the silent ringtone on your iPhone. Once it's downloaded, go to your files app and here we can see the silent ringtone silent.mp3 file. So if I play this mp3 file, we can't hear any sound because this is a silent ringtone. Now we have to export the silent ringtone to our iPhone ringtone using GarageBand app. So you can just easily install this GarageBand app from your app store. Just go ahead and open the GarageBand app on your iPhone, and here from the GarageBand homepage you have to find out this audio recorder, then open audio recorder and make sure to uncheck this option and then tap on this plus icon. And here tap on bars and here disable automatic, and here you have to increase the bar to 13 just like this, and then tap on this icon to enable the FX mode. In here we have to import the silent ringtone mp3 file. So tap here and select files and tap on browse items from the files app, and then go ahead and select the silent mp3 file that you just downloaded. So here's the silent mp3 file I'm selecting. Once it's imported, just long press on the file and drag and drop the file in here just like this. Once it's added, tap on this icon, tap on my song, and we are going to export this as our ringtone. Now long press on this band, tap on share, select ringtone, and here I'm typing silent ringtone and then tapping on export, and we can see the ringtone successfully exported. Now all you have to need on your iPhone, open the contact or phone app and going to contacts and then tap on the contact, which contact you want to silent completely. Tap on edit. In here you have to tap on ringtone and make sure the emergency bypass option is disabled, and then tap on haptic, and here you have to select none, then tap on back, then tap on come to this ringtone section. Here you have to scroll down and find out the silent ringtone that we just exported from GarageBand. Select the silent ringtone. Once you select it, tap on done, tap on save, and once you successfully saved the settings for the specific contact, now on this contact all incoming calls will be silent. Thanks for watching.